fix Instagram message not showing? Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can fix your Instagram message not showing up. So if your Instagram messages are not showing up, here are some troubleshooting steps that you can follow to resolve that issue. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection either through your mobile or either through your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you have opened up your Instagram app, you can close Instagram app completely and reopen it, which can often solve minor glitches. Also, you have to update the app. Check if you have the latest version of the Instagram. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store on your device and search for the Instagram. Once you have searched for the Instagram, here you can see the update available. You have to update and download the latest version of your Instagram. Also, you can go back and navigate to your device setting and scroll down through your app here and just go for the manage app and go for your Instagram here. Once you are on your Instagram here, you have to clear your cache of your Instagram, which can also help to resolve display issue. Ensure that Instagram has the necessary permission to access your message. You have to go for your app permission and go for your necessary permission here. Also, you can go to your notification and you have to enable the all notification here. If none of this step works, you have to uninstall the Instagram and then reinstall it on your device. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Instagram message not showing up on your notification. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.